At your family kongai, there are many different roles at play and there's always room for another helping hand.
Yes, so don't be the cousin that hides from the fe'aus. But if you simply don't know what to do...
What are you trying to call me out for, first of all?
Here are 4 options for you to choose from. 4.
4. Okay. Bare minimum. If I catch any of you in the bathroom.
Don't be in the toilet, okay?
Okay.
You don't need to all that long.
It's
absolutely no reason.
Choose your character.
Option 1, the fly swatter.
The easiest job of all. Very easy. Guard your elders' food and swat the flies. I mean, I got some pretty useless cousins, but damn, anyone can swat
Some of y'all
some
can't
flies.
read, but you can definitely swat
A fly.
If the tea towel hits the lomakua's face, you need to go home. That's the first stroke.
Right. No, that's a fatality.
Fatality.
Option number 2, the VB, or the Viper funnel bringer. Or in Palangi is the finger bowl person. Brings out a bowl, not a large one.
Don't bring the sink.
Don't bring the sink. We don't need the sink.
Please make sure you put cold water in there with your boiling water, okay? Don't be serving the lomakua boiling ice water. This player must be good at reading the room.
Exactly.
Okay? Vital. Because you might just see your life flash before your eyes, okay?
If you take it too early.
If you take it too early, it's rude. One way you can tell is to watch for the lean.
Lean back. Lean back in the seat.
Option number 3, the dishwasher.
Easily the hardest working on the team, usually the oldest.
If
This is
you...
Prison Break, it would be
Honey,
who?
Michael Schofield, baby.
That's who it would be. If it was HP Boys, it would be who?
Michael Schofield, baby.
Yeah!
10 out of 10. Would recommend taking this job.
Exactly.
If you, number 1, are thinking of going somewhere in the weekend, but you haven't asked your parents.
If you got not achieved on your maths assignment,
Anything that's not an excellence or a merit, baby, take the job.
if you've taken a raunchy pic on Facebook and Instagram and you've decided to post it, you forgot that you're friends with your nana on Facebook
And your father.
and your father.
She can relate. Oh, what's that? You have a dishwasher at home.
Oh, well, that's just too bloody
just
bad,
great.
isn't it?
That's where you're gonna dry your dishes.
Swashing. That's how quiet you should be, okay? Exactly.
Option number 4, the server.
This character usually stands near the table and waits on the elders and serves them. You are the face of the team. So make sure that you're presentable, okay?
Deodorant, babes.
Deodorant, please.
Because when you're reaching
Bit of Rexona.
across the table,
You don't want them
you know, you don't want to knock anyone out.
Make sure that this is the moment that you're memorable for, not the time when you're wearing the crop top at Manukau Mall waiting for your boyfriend, so that when your auntie sees you outside of Cotton On Body, she doesn't recognize, oh, who's that guy over there? But all she can remember is your beautiful smiles
At Gunga.
on you. And there you have it. So the next time you want to be an egg and hide in the toilet and pretend you got something wrong with your stomach so you can't come out and do the fe'aus, Nari.
I have no one to call out because I'm that cousin, but I promise. I promise I will not be a rude dude and choose my player.
Period.